What are you doing, little girl? You do some more? Hi, babe. I was laid down on the bed next to her and she was just doing that over and over. She's trying to figure out how to get places. Show us some of your other cool tricks, baby. Yeah, that one. Macy is 8 months old. In like, what, a week? 8 months and a week, I think? Maybe a little over. She's not crawling yet. And the fact that she's rolling back and forth is amazing because she wasn't doing that recently. And she's doing this now, too. Macy. Hi. Hi, baby. You gonna come over here?